In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Start by going into Device Settings and tapping on Display section over here. Now select Display Refresh Rate and apply one of those by clicking on the best one for you. When you're ready, just go back. Your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!